Hey there. So in this feature demo, we're going to focus on our build a box bundle format. And specifically, we're going to focus on fixed price per box. So here's the bundle we're going to be working with. And you can see here we have 12 different cookie flavors. So let's navigate to the back end. And from here, we're going to click on view bundles because we're going to edit an existing bundle. But the steps will be the same if you're creating a new bundle. Okay, great. So once we have our bundle here located in the canvas, the first thing we're going to do over here on the left-hand side is go ahead and click on that drop-down menu. From there, you're going to see the different discount type options. Now we have a percent, a fixed amount, a buy X, get Y, and then specific for our build a box format, we have fixed price per box. So we're going to go ahead and add a couple of different prices or fixed prices for our cookies. So the first one's going to be add any 6 or half a dozen for $10. We're going to add another one where you could include 12 cookies, a full dozen, for $18. Perfect. Now, a couple of things to notate. We also have the option of restricting to exact box sizes. Again, this is specific for our build a box format. And what this would do is it would force your customers to add a box of 6 or a box of 12, but they could not purchase a box of 8 or 4 cookies, for example, within this bundle. So we're going to go ahead and select that box because we want our customers, again, to either select a box of 6 or 12 at the price accordingly. We're going to click on Save Changes. Next, we're going to come back over to the live site and we're going to refresh our page. And now you can see down here where it says add any 6 items to unlock your box of 6 for $10. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a few of these. And in real time, you can see how this updates where we need to add 3 more in order to unlock our box of 6 for $10. The other thing I want to notate, because we did select restrict to exact box size, we cannot review our cookie box right now because we only have 3. And we have to have either 6 or 12. So let's go ahead and maybe we're going to add a second chocolate chip and a couple more to our box. And now we've unlocked our box of 6 for $10. And you can see that right here, we can go ahead and review our cookie box. Let's say we want to add a few more. And again, we're not quite at 12. So we need to add 2 more for a box of 12 at $18. So let's go ahead and do exactly that. Perfect. So now we've added a box of 12 for $18. We're going to go ahead and review our cookie box. These are the add-ons that we've gone over in other feature demos, but we're going to go ahead and skip that for now. So we're going to click on no thanks. And now you can see the 12 cookies we've added for our build a box. You can also see the discount accordingly. Now, the other option I want to show you, first I'm going to click on edit here, but I'm going to go ahead and come back to our back end over here, and we're going to unselect the restrict to exact box sizes. This will allow our customers to add a box of 6 for $10, and then let's say they want to add 2 more. They're just going to pay the retail price of $1.99 for those additional 2. So let's take a look at what that looks like. Okay, great. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to refresh our live site. We're going to go ahead and add a few of our cookies here. And let's see, we need to add 1 more. So now we have a box of 6, and this would be for $10, but we're going to go ahead and add maybe, let's say, 2 of our s'more cookies. And you can see that they've been added here at the $1.99 regular retail price. And because we've unselected the restrict to exact box size, I can buy 6 plus 2, which is 8. I can go ahead and review my cookie box. We'll skip our add-ons again. And now you can see that I've gone ahead and I've added 6 of our cookies along with 2 s'mores, so a total of 8 cookies. And we've got the discounted box pricing plus $4 for these 2 additional cookies. Now that means our bundle discount, we aren't saving as much. So let's go ahead and go back to edit. And let's just go ahead and add a few more so that we can get to 12 cookies. Where does this bring us? Okay, we need 1 more for 12 cookies. So now we're at a box of 12 for 18. Let's go ahead and review that. And you can see that we've saved more money because we purchased a full dozen cookies for a fixed price amount of $18. And from here, we could go ahead and add that to our cart and then purchase accordingly. And so being able to set fixed price per box is very easy, very simple. You could add additional box sizes here if you wanted to. And so there's a lot of flexibility that we provide through this feature. But if you have any questions, let us know. If you have feature requests, feel free to let us know what those are as well, and we would be happy to help. Thank you.